Folklore plays a very important role in Wales's appeal, encouraging the adventurer in us to explore and visit some of the locations that we have heard so much about. Here in Beddgelert, which is very popular with the visitors, apparently lies the grave of Llewellyn dog Gelert, who was killed in error, having in reality saved the life of his son. He was a hero. You may remember these fantastic views from the opening titles of Sean Connery and Richard Gere's First Night. Tales of the past proving popular yet again through the big screen. Harlech is another beautiful location and a vital part of the Mabinogi. When visiting, how about discovering more about the history of Beddgelert and Branwen and the powerful powers of the magic cauldron? The stories come alive yet again, with spectacular views adding to the voyage of exploration into the secrets of the past.